Hey there, adventure seekers. Are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey? Today, we're trekking deep into the heart of Southeast Asia, a region rich in biodiversity and cultural heritage. We're heading to a place teeming with ancient secrets just waiting to be unearthed, a place where history and nature intertwine seamlessly. Our destination is none other than the Lenggong Valley in Malaysia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Tucked away among lush rainforests and towering limestone cliffs, this valley is a hidden gem that offers a glimpse into our distant past. This valley holds the key to unlocking some of humankind's earliest chapters, with archaeological finds that date back over 1,000,000 years. Imagine a place where time seems to stand still, where the natural beauty is as captivating as the historical significance. A place where the whispers of our ancestors echo through the ages, telling stories of early human civilization. That's Lenggong Valley. It's a place where the past comes alive, where every stone and every artifact has a story to tell, a story that connects us to our roots. Here you can find ancient stone tools, pottery, and even human remains that offer invaluable insights into our prehistoric ancestors. Get ready to journey back millions of years as we explore this incredible archaeological treasure trove. From the breathtaking landscapes to the awe-inspiring historical finds, Lenggong Valley is a destination that promises to enrich your understanding of human history and leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Lenggong Valley isn't your typical tourist destination. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where the modern world fades away, and you're left with the raw essence of nature and history. It's not about fancy resorts or bustling city life. Here, you won't find the usual trappings of modern tourism. Instead, you'll discover a serene escape, a retreat into a world that has remained largely unchanged for millennia. It's about raw, untamed beauty, the untouched forests, the pristine rivers, and the wildlife that roams freely. This is nature in its purest form, a sanctuary for those seeking solace and a deeper connection with the earth. And it's about history, a lot of history. Lenggong Valley is a treasure trove of ancient artifacts and historical ruins, each telling a story of a time long past. We're talking about a place continuously occupied by humans for nearly 2,000,000 years. That's right, 2,000,000. Imagine the countless generations that have walked this land, each leaving their mark in the layers of soil and rock. This valley has witnessed the entire human story, from our earliest ancestors to the people who call it home today. It's a living museum, where the past and present coexist in a delicate balance. In Lenggong Valley, the layers of time are laid bare, offering us a glimpse into the lives of those who came before us. Each layer of soil, each artifact unearthed, is a chapter in the story of humanity. It's a humbling experience, to say the least, to stand in a place where so many have lived, loved, and left their mark. Lenggong Valley is not just a destination, it's a journey through time, a reminder of our shared heritage and the enduring spirit of humanity. So, what exactly makes Lenggong Valley so special? This picturesque valley, nestled in the heart of Malaysia, is not just a feast for the eyes, but a treasure trove of history and prehistory. Let's start with the star of the show, Perak Man. This ancient skeleton has captured the imagination of archaeologists and historians alike. Discovered in 1991, this remarkable skeleton is the oldest, most complete human skeleton ever found in Southeast Asia. The discovery was a groundbreaking moment, shedding light on the lives of our ancient ancestors. Perak Man dates back to about 11,000 years ago, giving us incredible insights into our ancient ancestors. This timeline comparison shows just how significant this find is in the broader context of human evolution. But Perak Man is just the tip of the iceberg. Lenggong Valley is a veritable goldmine of archaeological wonders. Lenggong Valley is home to a wealth of archaeological sites, each more fascinating than the last. From ancient tools to burial grounds, the valley offers a glimpse into the lives of early humans. We're talking Stone Age tools, ancient burial grounds, and much more. These artifacts tell stories of survival, community, and innovation, and even the remains of some of the world's earliest factories. These ruins are a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of our ancestors. It's like stepping onto the set of a real-life Indiana Jones movie. The sense of adventure and discovery is palpable, making Lenggong Valley a must-visit for history buffs and adventure seekers alike. The meticulous work of archaeologists here is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Each artifact is carefully cleaned, cataloged, and studied, adding another piece to the puzzle of our past. Museums in the area offer interactive displays that bring these ancient stories to life, allowing visitors to connect with history in a tangible way. So, whether you're an avid historian, an archaeology enthusiast, or simply someone who loves a good adventure, Lenggong Valley has something to offer. It's a place where the past and present coexist, creating a rich tapestry of human history waiting to be explored. One of the most astounding discoveries in Lenggong Valley is the evidence of early human ingenuity. Archaeologists have unearthed countless tools and artifacts, showcasing the remarkable skills of our ancestors. We're talking hand axes, choppers, and even early jewelry. These artifacts aren't just rocks. They're tangible proof of human ingenuity, problem-solving, and artistry. They tell a story of survival, adaptation, and the very essence of what it means to be human. It's awe-inspiring to hold these objects in your hand and imagine the people who created and used them thousands of years ago. The discoveries in Lenggong Valley have sent shockwaves through the scientific community, challenging long-held beliefs about human evolution and migration. Some experts even believe that Southeast Asia, not Africa, may be the birthplace of some of the earliest human technologies. While the debate continues, one thing is for sure: Lenggong Valley is rewriting history books. It's a place where we're constantly learning, constantly discovering, and constantly reassessing our understanding of the past. Who knows what other secrets lie hidden beneath the surface, just waiting to be unearthed. In recognition of its outstanding universal value, Lenggong Valley was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2011. This prestigious title acknowledges the valley's significance not just for Malaysia, but for all of humanity. Being a World Heritage Site means Lenggong Valley is protected for future generations. It means that its cultural and historical significance will be preserved and celebrated for years to come. It's a recognition that this place is truly special, a place that deserves our utmost respect and admiration. But with great archaeological treasures comes great responsibility. Preserving Lenggong Valley's fragile heritage is an ongoing task, one that requires collaboration between archaeologists, local communities, and the Malaysian government. The goal is to strike a balance between scientific exploration and responsible tourism. We want people to experience the wonder of Lenggong Valley firsthand, but we also need to ensure that its treasures are protected for future generations. Despite decades of research, Lenggong Valley still holds countless mysteries. Every excavation uncovers new artifacts, new questions, and new pieces of the puzzle. What other secrets lie buried beneath the surface? What else can this valley teach us about our shared human story? For archaeologists and history buffs, Lenggong Valley is a dream come true. It's a place where the past is constantly revealing itself, offering tantalizing glimpses into the lives of our ancestors. It's a place that reminds us of the vastness of time and the enduring power of the human spirit. So, if you're looking for an adventure off the beaten path, a journey that will transport you back in time, Lenggong Valley is calling. Come explore the ancient caves, marvel at the archaeological wonders, and immerse yourself in the rich history of this incredible place. Just remember to tread lightly and respect the significance of this site. The treasures of Lenggong Valley belong to all of us, and it's our duty to ensure that they're preserved for generations to come. As we stand on the precipice of the unknown, Lenggong Valley serves as a powerful reminder of our shared human journey. It's a place where the past and present converge, a place where we can connect with our ancestors and gain a deeper understanding of ourselves. Let's work together to ensure that the legacy of Lenggong Valley lives on, inspiring generations to come to explore, to discover, and to never forget the incredible story of humankind. Until next time, keep exploring.